Now here's a tool I think every household should have. This is an endoscope. Let's open it up and take a look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. This company Depstech reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in taking a look at this DS350 endoscope or borescope or inspection camera. And I said, absolutely, send it over. So here we are. Let's open it up and take a look. Oh, it just comes in a nice little carrying case. Now it comes with a full user manual that you can read through if you'd like, but it also comes with this small user interface introduction. So it just kind of shows you what the icons on the screen and what the buttons on the tool do. But let's pull this out and take a look. So if you flip this up, you've got, looks like a charge cable here and a little container that has a few other accessories. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Now this is attached to the unit. This does not come off. And it says, note, the TF card has been inserted into the screen display. It looks like we do have a memory card right here already installed. Now on the side, it says, hold this button for 2 seconds to power on or off the endoscope. So let's do that. We're just gonna press and hold. And there we go. That's a nice bright screen. And we are on already. It's a nice, clean, clear image. You can see the light is pretty bright. It looks like our battery is also at a full charge. That's pretty nice. It came already charged. Now the buttons down here do several different things. So you can, number one, you can go into menu and you can scroll through here and change the resolution. Right now it's at 1080p, language, English, auto power off, screen brightness. Just go down and do each one of these. Screen brightness, let's select that. And here you can see it's got the brightness indicator up or down. We're gonna keep this one up. And we can also go down, it says format, for formatting the card, reset system, time setting, storage space, and data transmission, and in some information about the tool. Now these buttons on the right, the plus and the minus, if you just press it up once or down, the top one goes brighter, the bottom one goes dimmer. We'll just leave it right there. But if you press and hold the top right button, it changes the camera. So see right there, we've just switched to the side facing camera. And now I'm just filming the ceiling in here. Press it again and it's waiting. Then it changes back to the front facing and side facing. We've got a split screen option there. That is so cool. I really like the split screen option. That is not something that I've ever had before in an endoscope. Down here, this bottom right button will change the orientation of the camera. So if you press and hold that, look at that. I just flipped it. So now this is no longer upside down like it was. And this one, the side camera doesn't change the orientation, but we just swapped location and that flipped the screen on this one here. I'm gonna do it again, press and hold, and see now the top camera, that's upside down. I like that. Really nice, clean resolution here as well. And then we can change back to just a single camera. I'm gonna press that again. And now that is just the front facing camera. And there's a good shot of the dart just over there. Speaking of the dart, why don't we go pull a plug and put this inside the engine and take a look at that. All right, this is my Dodge Dart with the Slant 6 225, the Leaning Tower of Power. And I'm actually working on changing out the fuel pump down there below, but I just thought this would be a great opportunity to pull out a spark plug and take a look at that inspection camera. So I'm just gonna pull the number 2 spark plug here real quick. Now that comes out with the spark plug tube attached, which is fine. Now I just unwound a little bit of this cable, but I'm leaving most of this coiled up because otherwise it would be a big tangled mess. But take a look at how rigid this cable is. So you'll have a lot of control when using this. You can actually create a bend or form it in the way that you'd like. But let's go through here. So this engine is unique in the sense that you've got the block here and then you have your spark plug tube seals. So let's just go into that cylinder right there. There's the threaded spark plug hole right there. Let's just push the camera all the way in and take a look at that cylinder. Nice and clean. Now this hasn't been run for quite a while. Now you can even see one of the valves right there dropping down. That's also nice and clean. Now I've had the head off recently and done a little bit of work to this, but hasn't run in a little bit, so it's pretty dry. Now here I can press that middle button to take a picture, and that will save that picture. But I can also press this button right here on the bottom right and hold, and it changes or flips the image around. So now you can see the valve is up here on the top. I love the fact that you can flip the orientation so easily like that. But I also want to switch cameras, so let's press and hold the top right. Now there's the side camera. You get a little bit different angle. That is really, really neat. You can see right there the top of the combustion chamber, and right there's the cylinder wall. The piston's not all the way down, so we're seeing that here too. Then I'm going to press and hold again the top right, and there we have a split screen, so we can see both cameras. You get a really good image there. All right, let's pull this out. All right, I'm going to put the spark plug back in real quick, and then we'll wrap this up. Now if we want to go back and take a look at that picture, just press and hold the OK button, and there it just jumps up right there. Look how clean and crisp that picture is. Now you can get a really good picture of the cylinder wall and the top of the piston, and of course the valve there. Now this is not only for automotive, this is something you can use around the house. Take a look at pipes in a wall or even down a drain. This cable here is 16.5 feet long, which is perfect for around the shop. Now they do have a 50-foot option, and that would be ideal in something like a sewer pipe or something that you're going to push a lot longer. Just keep in mind that this cable, it is semi-rigid, but you may have to tape that cable to another, like a rigid snake, to push it all the way down that far. Also comes with these little accessories. It looks like we've got a hook that you can attach to try to retrieve something maybe down a drain, or if you're trying to retrieve something that's metal, it's got a magnet and you can pull something like that out of a drain or even out of an engine bay. But that's pretty much it. It's a very nice inspection camera for the money. This is very inexpensive, and I'll tell you, I have used the type that pair to your phone via Bluetooth, or you have to get on a network. That takes a lot longer and it's a lot harder to use compared to this. It's already got a built-in display, 4.3-inch display, and as you saw, it's super easy to use as soon as you learn what button does what. If you want to get out of that and go back to the camera, just press and hold OK, and we're live again. And then to turn it off, just press and hold the power button. 2 seconds, and then it turns off. And that's pretty much it. It's got a nice little carrying case. We'll get that tucked back in there and put this away until we need it, but definitely something that I will be using not only around the shop, but around the house as well. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this exact same inspection camera as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.